3, 2, 1. So this is You Know Who doing You Know What on my You Know What channel. This is the C Typical channel. It has several hundred videos for you to watch, I think. So I was wanting to make a video I've done in a while, just kind of something like a boredom video or whatever. But I was gambling on this 999dice.com website where you can deposit your choice of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, which I have about $3 of 1,000 free Dogecoins. They're probably a good time to buy Doge and hold for 8, 10, 15 years. Litecoin and Ethereum. So I had some Dogecoin. I wanted to show you what I was doing here. Now here's my Trezor wallet, and that's where I transferred 1,000 Doge from my Trezor wallet to my 1,000 Doge from my Trezor wallet to this Bitcoin or Dogecoin gambling site here. It's a real simple site. You know, you can go with all kinds of different types of things here. I can bet 0.01 of the Doge that increase after a 1% loss, and number of bets 10. So they can press bet and lost 300 of the Doge, and then I gain 5.12 of Doge, gain 0.06, gain 0.3, and then they go for 5 points. So the Trezor wallet is pretty cool, and as you can see, it's got lots of different coins and stuff. I think it's probably pretty good. Well, all you have to know about hardware wallets is that they are made for sending and creating receiving addresses. You don't really need to have your Bitcoin on a hardware wallet. If you have the 1218 or 24-word recovery phrase, your BIP39, or else maybe you store your private keys a certain way or whatever. This is screen recorder, Cast-O-Matic, and what I used to do my videos. It works really well. It's free. I've been fairly impressed with it, and I've been hanging out in the Kiwi IRC here in the Electrum channel. Because I do wallet recovery services and I'm working on some things. So it's a pretty cool little Microsoft Internet Relay chat called Kiwi.com. Chat room and stuff. Most of the rooms are from Freenode is a server, and that's one of the rooms, and 700 rooms. Freenode is one of the larger Bitcoin servers. So anyway, I was showing that game, and I wanted to show you how to use one of the cool things, and I'll let you know from the get-go that you never make any money gambling, so. But, this is a program you can find on the internet. Let me see if I can show you that URL here. Dicebot download on Google. And see, there it is, Unity's Dicebot, and you can download that, and it's also got different types of scripts you can download and to try and modify at your own request. I'm not really big on gambling, which is why 999dice is cool to use, because I can gamble with a big number. It's not very much money, so at least I don't lose very much. You always here and there is no big deal. Sometimes I'm thinking to put 100 or 1,000 on it, but I'm not going to. You're going to lose your money. So here's some different scripts you can use for the Dicebot, which I have open here. And you can see I have a site set to 999dice Doge. You got to log in. Type in my username and my password. Successfully logged in the registry. I have this on a real low bet, which is, as you notice, there's 4 decimal places, 1, 0, 0, and 3, and 4, 4, 9 would be 7 decimal places. That's like the safe bet on just about any script you can get. It takes days and days to make anything, but it does work. And you can go a little more risky. You can do 6 decimal places over, and it's going to crash eventually. People aren't up on an hour, 2 days, you know. So anyway, it's pretty cool. And I have the bet set to 001 Doge, and we'll go ahead and move this, and we'll press start. And you'll see here, just lost the first bet and won the second one, and that's an example of really low betting, setting for 999 dice, and it's a pretty cool script. It'll go down it'll go pink for a little while in the reds, then it'll go down a low, 1 Doge, 10 Doge, 100 Doge. These are pretty close to crashing, and it'll make like 50 or 60 when it recoups. So what it'll do is it'll gain more bet when it wins. It bets again on the second one, so you'll notice that as it goes through here, if you get too many pinks or too many reds, and you get 1 green, it'll make about half your coins back, and then you get 1 pink all of a sudden. You need to get a whole bunch of reds and 2 greens. These people in 99 Dice are pretty cool. It's a great chat room. They're really friendly. Feel free to mention my video. But you can go to the 999dash.com website, and I suppose I'm going to have to log in here. Yeah, no, I'm already logged in, okay. And here's the chat room. I'll say hi on here. So that's all I wanted to do was show you some things that I was doing today, and here's some stuff that's related to the Bitcoin search for the lost Bitcoin that I purchased in 2010 or 11 or 12, and I'm ready to do whatever, so whatever you want to say about that. So that's all I have today, and I want to wish you a great holiday season, and may your days be filled with joy and happiness. Thank you for watching. I'll include links to download the bot and some scripts in the description, and have a good day.